Jeremy Kiddie also ran this Fiat 1355C until the arrival of the Cat D6D, and it's seen ploughing at the other end of the field to the D5B in 2010. The 135 horsepower crawler was bought new from Fiat-Agriculture at Bury St Edmunds in 1986. It did all of the primary cultivations and mould draining, as well as some top work, performing very well and accumulating 3,900 hours without any problems. New track chains and sprockets were fitted in 2010, and it was used alongside the D5B. Tim is using the 1355 with a 6-furrow DP1, which it handles well. As on previous Fiats, the linkage was made by Turner Engineering and has a capacity of 7,500 kilograms. The deluxe cab was made by Savima and is well appointed inside with air conditioning fitted as standard.